Hey, welcome again to Money Zone. Are you an Android user eager to turn your gaming passion into extra cash? In this video, we reveal one of the best apps that allow you to play games and earn money effortlessly. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your leisure time into a profitable venture. Tune in now and start playing for cash today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I'm always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. It would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Turn your gaming skills into real cash. TapChamps is not just another gaming app, it's a legitimate way to earn gift cards and PayPal money while having fun. With a wide variety of games to choose from, you can easily transform your leisure time into profitable playtime. Compete in challenges, complete tasks, and watch your earnings grow, all while enjoying your favorite games. Imagine getting rewarded for the hours you already spend gaming. Thousands of players are cashing in on their passion and enjoying the thrill of competition. Are you ready to join them? With TapChamps, every victory translates into real rewards, making gaming not just entertaining, but also financially rewarding. With over 1 million downloads, TapChamps is quickly becoming one of the go-to apps out there. It's totally free to use, and once you download it, you can dive into a huge selection of games. Whether you're into action, multiplayer, board games, puzzles, cards, or word games, there's something for everyone. As you play these games, you'll rack up points that you can swap for all sorts of prizes. Plus, there are weekly contests where top players score bonus rewards. You can cash in your points for PayPal money or snag some free gift cards. Overall, it's a fun way to earn some extra bucks while exploring new Android games. Don't let your skills go to waste. Sign up for TapChamps today and start earning while you play. The sooner you join, the sooner you can cash out those rewards. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried TapChamps or any other making money apps? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your story. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. It means a lot to us. If you had a good time and got something out of it, we'd be super stoked if you could give us a quick thumbs up and share it with others. And hey, if you want to catch more of our videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. That way, you won't miss out on any of the cool videos we've got coming up. We seriously appreciate your support. See you in the next video.